Ever feel like how, no matter how hard you work, you're still struggling to make ends meet? You're not alone, okay? I experienced this too, and so many people are experiencing this too. Like, I've heard like 3 out of 4 people are living paycheck to paycheck, okay? Like 60% of people are struggling to pay their bills, right? That was me, okay? I was working for like 5 years for this company, and then after they gave us like a 3 week notice and they decided to cut our pay in half, okay? So my income was cut in half, and I wasn't prepared for that. I didn't have a backup plan. So I was officially overworked and underpaid at that time, okay? At that time when that happened. So the truth about the jobs, the truth about the 9 to 5 is like we were all taught to go to school. We're all taught to work. We're all taught to get a good job. And we're just basically trained to be employees. Okay. We weren't trained to be workers. So it's not your fault. It's not my fault either. We just weren't trained properly. Right. Like, in my opinion, we should have been learning about how to make money when we were younger. We should have been learning about like the science of getting rich and how to manifest money and how to manage money and rich dad, poor dad and learn all of these things. But the system's not designed for that. The system was created actually to create workers, okay? To create paid servants, to make other people rich. Because basically, you have two choices. You can work for yourself and make yourself rich, or you can work for other people and make other people rich. That's basically all you can do. And the only way you're going to get wealthy is if you spend your money on assets. So whatever you make from your job, you should always understand if you want to become wealthy, like really wealthy, like have an abundance of money in your bank account and have an abundance of free time, then you need to invest in assets like a business, real estate, stocks, things like this. Okay. So if you're putting in like 40 plus hours a week and you're still living paycheck to paycheck, then there's probably something wrong there. That's probably not what you want because the cost of living is going up. You know that like inflation is going up. Like the cost of living is going up all the time, right? Groceries, all of that stuff, gas, the cost of living is going up, but the paychecks aren't going up. And then we're being taxed on our money too, which is like outrageous. Like we're being taxed. The cost, like inflation's going up, the prices are rising, but the paychecks are staying the same. Or sometimes, like in my case, they are decreasing. Okay. So it's just not your fault. You were just like me, like myself too. We were just trained the wrong way. Okay. But it's not too late. It's not too late to learn new skills. Okay. So you're not alone. Many people feel this. Many people are overworked and underpaid, and they're looking for a way out. I get it. So make sure you follow part two because I'll show you the business model that changed everything for me. And it's helping me break free from this struggle of living paycheck to paycheck and being overwhelmed, overworked and underpaid. Okay. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.